Immobiliser fit. This is a 2019 Range Rover Velar protected with a Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle. As you see, the ignition's going to come on, but the vehicle's not going to start. They're going to be unable to drive it away. As you see, gearbox doesn't rise and the vehicle switches back off. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the brake, tap the start button, pop in their unique code, but for now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. You see we get a double flash from the indicators. Now foot on the brake and start the car. This system has a service mode, so if it goes back to Range Rover, we'll press the cancel button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is after putting our code in, confirming it's us. We'll get 5 flashes. Now this is a normal vehicle, so when it goes to Range Rover, simply hand them the key and it's going to start up, no code needed. When you get it home, turn the ignition on, pop your code in. 1, 2, 3, 4, like we have for now. Receive 2 flashes. And that turns the system back on and your vehicle's protected again. If the customer wants to set their own code, what they'll do is turn the ignition on, prove it's them with the existing code, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our double flash. Now we'll pull the full beam all the way back and repeat our code again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll keep the full beam held back until the indicators start to flash. Now we can release and set a new code. This can be anything between 4 and 21 presses in any order, so we could just go 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, we'll get 3 flashes. And as you saw, anytime I press a supported button, we get a flash. We'll repeat the code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we'll wait and we should only get 2 flashes. Now we've got that, the code's learnt, we can turn the vehicle off. So when the customer gets in, foot off the brake, tap the start button, we'll pop the new code in of 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for a double flash, foot on the brake and start. We're Immobiliser fit. This is a Ghost 2 on a 2019 Range Rover Velar. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.